So what does the mandola sound like? Well, it's a very sweet sounding instrument. And as I've said in previous videos, there isn't a lot of repertoire that was written specifically for this instrument. So that means that anything that was written for the viola, which is the bowed string version, can be also played on the mandola. And um, classical music examples might be the Bach Brandenburg number 6 for two violas, and just about any of the Mozart string quartets or Mozart chamber music was written with strong viola parts. So, other than that, I believe, there's a sonatina that was written by Antonin Dvorak for solo viola. And of course, you can play just about any folk music style that you can play on the mandolin or the fiddle. You can also play on the mandola. So I'll play a little bit so you can hear what it sounds like. Once again, I hope to hear from you. If you visit my website at sweetmusicstudio.net, you can sign up for lessons here in person at my studio in Granby. You can find out more about the group classes I'm offering. And of course, you can always sign up for mandolin lessons, mandolin and mandola lessons online anytime between 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.